Hello, I'm Rachel Kenna, Chief Nursing Officer here in the Department of Health. As students return to school on a phased basis and start mixing with other students, friends and teachers in busy indoor and outdoor spaces, it is really important to wear a face covering to protect yourself and others from the spread of COVID-19. COVID-19 spreads through droplets from coughing or sneezing or when you're with others. Wearing a face covering protects everybody by stopping the spread of these droplets from person to person. To protect against the spread of COVID-19, face coverings are required for anybody aged 13 or over, when you're in a crowded indoor or outdoor space, or where a distance of 2 metres apart can't be maintained. You are also required to wear a face covering on public transport, although we would advise students to walk or cycle where possible. You're also required to wear it in shops, shopping centres and other businesses, such as in banks, post offices and credit unions. Remember, if you see someone not wearing a face covering, it may be because they are unable to wear one for medical or other reasons. Before you use a face covering, wash your hands with soap and water if possible for about 20 seconds. If you haven't got soap or water, use alcohol gel. Without touching the front of your face covering, put it on by holding the loops on both sides. Hook the loops over your ears so that it fits closely to your face. This is really important. It should cover your nose and your mouth and sit comfortably under your chin. Once your face covering is on, avoid pulling it down or up and don't lower it to speak to others. It needs to cover your nose and mouth to protect you and the people around you. If you want to eat, drink or do any activity where you need to remove your face covering, just remove it completely. If you want to cough, keep your face covering on and protect others by covering your cough with your elbow. When you are removing the face covering, lift it from behind your ears using the loops at the sides. Do not touch your nose or mouth or the front of the mask. Medical face coverings should be disposed of in the bin. You should store your cloth face covering in a plastic bag until it can be washed. Face coverings should be washed at the highest temperature for the cloth. Once you have put away the face covering, wash your hands again well with soap and water, or again use the alcohol gel if you're not near a sink. Face coverings help prevent people who do not know they have the virus from spreading it to others. Face coverings only work if they are worn correctly. It is really important to keep washing your hands regularly, covering your coughs and sneezes, and keep your social distancing. Bring your face covering with you in a plastic bag every time you go out, and maybe keep it with your phone so that you won't forget it.